Take 2. Okay, I'm a little bit further from the camera today, so if you can't hear me, I'm sorry. I have a microphone attached, but I also have the AC running because it's hot. Today's Father's Day, and I think I'm going to bake. My dad wanted cinnamon rolls, but I did not zip my dress up. I think I'm gonna do a cinnamon roll inspired cake with a chocolate ganache frosting with cream cheese icing swirled up together. Does that sound good? Because I think that sounds good. Anyways, I'm wearing a uniform dress. I wish you could see the bottom because it's long. So let's get started. Follow along on this journey. It's not going to be a full tutorial because I don't know really where I'm going with this yet. So hang out, have some fun. Let's bake. Let's bake it to 350. I hope my bun doesn't look silly. I've been trying to get like a good messy bun. Does it look okay? Oh, stop it. Sorry, stop it right now. That is my era. Oh, hell no. This is my video. This is my video. This is my video. Why didn't they tag me? Oh, wait, no, it's not my video. I don't know. He's so fine. This is my video. Oh, wait, no, this one's not me. I wish it was my video. Should have kissed me. Okay, anyways, let's get started. I'm getting married. I've been using Kerrygold butter as of lately. It's kind of bomb, I'm not gonna lie. Microwave this. This is the bowl I always use. It's my only favorite bowl. Melted butter. It'll continue to melt. It was just starting to like pop in the... So I think I'm just gonna make like a basic vanilla pound cake type of a thing. So like birthday cake flavor. See, sometimes I feel like I get into this character of like must be professional online presence. I don't talk like that. In reality, I talk like fucking normal. Why am I trying to fucking put on a facade of like, I don't even say facade. What am I doing? Some may say it's weird that I like to put on like cute dresses. Is that a red light? Cute dresses and bake, but it really I do. It's probably one of my favorite things. Two eggs. Fuck. Okay. That never happens. Yuck. Walmart Great Value bleach spray. Now that that's done. That's never happened. I actually have never dropped an egg shell. Ever. Excuse me, I'm just getting some vanilla. But the funny thing is, what am I saying? It's not funny. I think my dad turns 50. The oven's trying to like stop me from exposing him. But my dad turns 50 this year, which is crazy because I'm going to be 30 this year. No, I'm not. I'm going to be 29. Why do I think I'm going to be 30? I've said that twice already. I'm not 30 yet. But my dad is kind of like me. I think I look just like my dad. But I often hear that I look like my mom. But if I see like both of my parents, I see my dad. Like I see my dad and then I see my face. I'm like, that's my face. But my dad has like had a lot of different eras, which I think is cool. You know, like he's gone through many chapters of his life, and each one of them, he's kind of like, it's very Gen Z of me to say, but he's slayed every part of his life. And basically that means like anything that has ever been shot at him or thrown at him, he's always like really came through. It's kind of impressive. So yeah, That's really cool. I think most people, well, actually no, because some people like they don't have dads. So I think I'm very lucky to have a dad. That's my dad. I love you, Dad. But really, I get most of my creativity from him. But my favorite thing is when I was younger, like, he would make me lunches and snacks and stuff. This is when I was like in kindergarten. Actually, I'm lying. This was when I was like in elementary school. He made like the most creative like sandwiches for me to take to school. He would cut off the crust because the funny thing is I never tried crust, but I think they just assumed I didn't like crust because every kid didn't like crust, but I probably didn't like crust anyways. But he would always cut off the crusts and like cut them into little, like star shapes, and like hearts, like any sandwich. He would also cut like, obviously, I didn't really have fruit. Oh, but like I would have like Cheetos and stuff like that. And then one of my favorite things, like I was a really picky eater, so I wouldn't eat like veggies often. So he would like blend up my veggies and put them into like a soup, and I would eat that, and that's how I would get my nutrients. And I wouldn't know that there was veggies in there. My dad would do all that for me. And obviously, like fixing anything like that needed to be fixed. Man, my husband's learning, but still, he like. My dad still kind of does better, but it's okay. My dad teaches him. He's getting there. Oh, I need to put baking soda. But I'm really glad my dad and my husband get along. Well, almost husband. You get my point. And thankfully he teaches him like a bunch of cool stuff as far as like fixing things around the house and installing certain things. Because my dad's also really good at like installing TVs and like electronics. He has like no wires will be showing anywhere. That's my favorite thing, and I really hope that that will continue on in my life. I'm just really like anti-wires, if that makes sense. But yeah, on top of like the normal being hardworking and everything else that like a dad should be, but he's come a long way, and I think he can recognize that himself as well. He's very confident, and I really do appreciate that, because I think all dads should be confident and not like that humble, no, own it. You're a badass dad, be a badass dad. That's how it should be. You get me? I think we've all been loving this square tray as of lately. On top, but it still looks pretty. Cool. Dang, that was kind of fast, huh? Here's what it looks like. Oh, can you see? That's it. I'm not tilting it. I'm not that stupid. Put it in there for 45 minutes. Cakes take a long time. Now my favorite part ever, said no one. Is to wash the dishes. Oh. Better? There's 30 minutes left now. Let's see. It looks great. Okay, now we wait 30 minutes. this. Oh, I'm thirsty though. This is just Pedialyte with melted ice. It's so dark. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's pretend that it just beeped and that I'm just taking it out of the oven. But here it is, fully cooked and fully delicious. Now I'm gonna let it cool while I take a shower because I kind of want to take a shower. So I'm sorry, I'm not committed to finishing the video in this beautiful dress, but I do have egg on it, so please forgive me. And I'll see you when I'm gonna ice it. That's the fun part. Bye. I took a shower. As you can tell, I washed my hair, and yeah, it's air drying. This is how I air dry the hair. That helps create a nice wave pattern, I should say, and then, you know, I mean, it's cool. I feel like I look silly. I don't. Okay, I don't know why a hole kind of just happened in the center, but I think it could work. I think it can, you know, we can fill it with some delicious filling. So, like I said, I'm doing a cream cheese frosting with ganache swirls. Hopefully it works. So, cream cheese and butter, and then powdered sugar. I'm using my mixer, the whisking attachment with this. It blew a little bit. It'll be fine. Trader Joe's chocolate chippies. That is what it's looking like. That corner is for my dad, but it's not bad. A rule that I have is like I have to taste it. What if it tastes bad? So I'm cutting a piece. Okay. That's what it's looking like. The layer, it kind of separates though, so I'm gonna get a fork so it doesn't taint it. Clean fork, okay. I'm nervous. I have a hair in my mouth. Wow. That's actually pretty good. I still have a hair in my mouth. Ugh. The edges got really crispy, which I can appreciate. See, look at. Oh well. Just what I expected. Hopefully he likes it. But anyways, thank you for watching. Happy Father's Day to every father out there. I don't know. Bye.